Something absolutely unprecedented is happening within Apple's top-secret audio division, and it is about to completely disrupt the premium headphone industry. While the mass market is busy looking at standard wireless earbuds, a select group of hardware engineers in Cupertino is finalizing a device that sounds like pure science fiction. If you think the current audio market has reached its peak, you are not prepared for the massive technological shift coming down the pipeline. A series of highly classified supply chain leaks, component order sheets, and internal firmware tracking logs have officially exposed Apple's next ultra-premium audio project. This is not just a routine, minor update or a basic battery refresh to keep up with the competition. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is a total, ground-up reinvention of personal audio. Apple is actively preparing to launch a revolutionary device designed to permanently shift wireless earbuds away from being passive speakers and transform them into advanced, hyper-intelligent wearable computers. For the last several years, the premium earbud industry has been locked in a predictable cycle. Every single release followed the exact same formula: slightly better background noise cancellation, minor tweaks to the microphone quality, and maybe an extra hour of battery life. Innovation had completely stalled out, leaving consumers feeling like they were buying the exact same product over and over again. But behind closed doors, Apple's engineering teams realized that the traditional framework of personal audio was completely obsolete. With the massive integration of advanced artificial intelligence and spatial computing into our daily workflows, earbuds can no longer just sit passively in your ears playing music. They need to understand your environment, predict your needs, and interact with the physical world around you. The intelligence slipping past Apple's strict security protocols reveals a hardware leap so profound that it has caught major acoustic rivals completely off guard. To fully grasp why this next-generation device is causing widespread panic among competing tech companies, we have to look directly at the single most shocking hardware leak to emerge from the Asian manufacturing lines. Apple is officially integrating highly advanced, microscopic infrared camera modules directly into the stems of the earbuds. This is an engineering feat that many industry insiders believed was years away from mass production. These are not standard photographic lenses. They are specialized, ultra-precise thermal and spatial sensors designed to give the earbuds the literal ability to see the world around the wearer. By tracking the microscopic movements of your head, the shifting of your jaw, and the physical geometry of your immediate environment, these integrated cameras create a continuous, real-time spatial map. The practical applications of this infrared camera technology completely redefine how human beings interact with machine intelligence. This hardware allows the earbuds to track your hand gestures directly in mid-air with flawless precision, even when your smartphone is tucked away inside your pocket or backpack. You will no longer need to physically touch the stems, slide your fingers over plastic surfaces, or shout voice commands in crowded public spaces just to navigate your media. A subtle, completely invisible pinch of your fingers in free space will instantly adjust your volume, skip tracks, or accept incoming phone calls. Furthermore, this advanced spatial tracking links seamlessly with high-end external computing ecosystems, acting as the definitive, ultra-low latency tracking anchor that allows digital objects to remain perfectly suspended in your actual environment without a single millisecond of drifting or visual lag. But packing complex optical sensors, wireless transmitters, and high-fidelity speakers into an enclosure that weighs mere grams introduces a catastrophic computational nightmare. The sheer volume of real-time data streaming from dual infrared